Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today I'm diving into a word that's small but mighty in the world of GRE vocabulary. The word is abrasive. Sounds a bit rough, right? Well, let's smooth it out together. First, the basics. Abrasive is an adjective. It describes something that can rub or wear away an object through friction. Think of sandpaper scrubbing away rust. But when it comes to people, abrasive means harsh, rude, or overly aggressive. Someone with an abrasive personality might be blunt or insensitive, often leaving others feeling like they've been scratched up emotionally. Now, why should you care about this word? The GRE isn't just about testing your math and reasoning skills. Building a strong vocabulary is key to unlocking your best score in the verbal section. Words like abrasive often pop up in reading comprehension passages or sentence equivalence questions. Knowing them can make a significant difference in understanding the text and choosing the correct answers. So how do you use abrasive in a sentence? Let's look at a couple of examples. The manager's abrasive comments quickly demoralized the team. Here, abrasive tells us that the manager's remarks were harsh and unkind. Another example, the abrasive texture of the cleaner helped to remove the grime. In this case, abrasive is describing something physically rough. To really master GRE vocabulary, context is everything. When you learn a new word, try to see it in different contexts. Read articles, books, or even GRE prep materials where these words might be used. This will help solidify your understanding and recall. Also, use flashcards. They're a proven method to reinforce memory. Write the word on one side and its meaning, along with a sample sentence on the other. Quiz yourself regularly. The more you interact with the word, the better you'll remember it. Remember, the GRE is a game of preparation and strategy. Expanding your vocabulary doesn't just help you in the test. It also enhances your overall communication skills, making you more articulate and precise. Plus, it boosts your confidence. And confidence is a game changer in any exam. So there you have it. Abrasive, a small word with a significant impact. Keep building that vocabulary, one word at a time. You've got this. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your GRE prep. Stay sharp and keep pushing forward. Until next time, happy studying.